Hello everyone. So today in this session I am going to discuss about a new topic called Python. So basically Python is a popular general purpose programming language. It is interpreted, interactive, object oriented and high level programming language. Before going in deep of Python, we will see why we have to learn Python. In this programming world, there are so many programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Lisp, COBOL, Fortran, etc. So among them, what makes Python special? So the reasons behind Python learning is Python is a high level programming language which makes it similar to English. It is easy and simple to learn and use Python programming. Also, Python offers many security features which makes it more secure. Python is a portable language, which means the code written in Python can be carried from one system or hardware to another system or hardware. Some of the features of Python are it is an object-oriented programming language which is based on an object. It is free and open source. So no cash payment is necessary to use Python or its supporting softwares, which makes it free and open source. Python is a cross-platform system, which is nothing but portability. Python is extensible. Many versions of Pythons are available which are extensible. Python also supports GUI features, graphical user interface features. It also supports database. Python is an interpreted language, a language in which implementation execute instructions directly without earlier compiling program into machine language. It is also an interactive programming language. It is used on a server to create web applications. Also, it is used as a support language for software developers, for building control and management, also for testing purpose. Python also incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, very high level dynamic data types and classes. It also supports multiple programming paradigms beyond object-oriented programming such as procedural programming and functional programming. So these are some of the main and important features of Python. Next we will move on to some simple Python programs. So the first program here shows a simple Python program to display your name or any message. So in order to display any message in the screen, Python program only require a simple keyword called print. So by using the keyword print, print, we can simply display any message in the screen. So since print is a function, we have to use round parenthesis after the print keyword. Inside a round parenthesis, by using a double quotation mark, we can simply display any message by using Python program. So a simple Python program to display your name is as shown here. It consists of a print function. Since it is a function, we have to use round parenthesis. Inside the round parenthesis, we have to use double quotation mark, and inside the double quotation mark simply put your name or any message, and by running this single line program we can get the output which is given inside the double quotation mark. So here by using the print function I am printing my name itself. So inside the round parenthesis I have just typed the word Anjali. After running this program, Anjali will be obtained in the output screen. In the second program, I have tried to add two numbers. So in order to add two numbers and display the answer or the addition, again we have to use the print function. So in first the keyword print is returned, then inside the round parenthesis the two terms along with the operator. Here I am adding two numbers, so addition operator is used. So print inside the bracket 5 plus 6 will give the output as 11. So these are two Python programs. So this is the basic of Python. Why we have to learn Python, the features and two simple Python program. Thank you for watching my video.